Now we actually had a question come in, and he was going to add, and in fact, I'll bring it up on the screen right now. Real Splash writes, did any of your Kawasaki hulls have reinforcements like the other brand names? So
No.
maybe they were stock hulls.
Yeah, we never had to reinforce anything. I mean, Kawasaki production and, the thickness, we had millimeter testing and all that stuff on thickness of holes and everything. Like we rode some pre-production skis that had, numbers every 2 inches across the bottom and like really cool stuff that they do that you would never see as a consumer.
Okay.
By far, the Kawasaki hull is the predominant, most lasting, best manufactured hull I've ever seen. I've made my own hulls. I know fiberglass. I can't do what they do.
Interesting. Okay. Well, so that brings up a couple questions, because I know that when they went to the 300, they did a little bit of reinforcement, and then when they went to the 310, the 310 didn't have any changes to the hull, but they did say with the new 22s that they also did a little bit more reinforcement again around the bow area. But I didn't know if it was like, wood stringers, or I don't know if it was another pass, another couple layers, or a different thickness or anything like that. But I wasn't seeing hull failures with these units as much as you would see other stuff that was kind of be shaken out. Now, as far as racing, and I mean team the team green race skis, those are set up inside. You're very quiet. You can't talk about that kind of stuff. But what can you share about some of the machine, some of the ultras, and how they were being set up for endurance and offshore? Without pissing Joe off.
I wouldn't piss anybody off, but it's just the honest truth is we ran stock hulls.
Okay.
And we were able to, assemble motors that were correctly built with either superchargers or turbochargers with low boost and high boost from Bill Chapin, which is the man. And we did turbo packages and everything.
So you were running R&D turbos on them.
Yeah, at after let's see, 2010 and 11 is when we tried turbos on our offshore setup.
Okay.
And it was more easier on the engine itself.
Oh, okay.
Rather than a supercharger, so the life of the engine was longer with the turbo.
Great.
Because you could change your boost settings to 12 psi to 16 if you needed it, and stuff like that. So and Bill Chapin designed all that stuff with R&D and Eaton or whatever turbocharger we ran at that time. I don't really remember. I just wrote it.
Fine. Yeah.
But no advantages to the hull or anything. It was really stock setup. You get your rider comfortable on your bar setting and your seat mounting, and if you can drive any race full throttle, there's a good chance you're going to win.
Right. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.